Alright guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So, today we're gonna make something called Oobleck, or Oobleck, or I don't know how to say it properly, I'll be completely honest with you. I took 5 minutes of just me saying it and googling it, so I don't know how to say it properly. Oobleck. Oobleck. But we're gonna make it. So this is very cool because it is both a solid and a liquid. And I'll show you how to make it. All you need is, you need corn flour and you need water, which we all have. So yeah, so the most important thing about this is I'm gonna obviously do a bigger version, but I'll show you how to do it. It's 2 parts cornstarch, 1 part water. What that means is when I have 1 cup of cornstarch, that means it's half a cup of water. When I have 2 cups of cornstarch, it's 1 cup of water. So, I'm going to, the first thing you do, you pour the cornstarch. By the way, this experiment will get messy, so make sure that you're wearing an apron or you have your parents with you. So this is 1 cup. Okay. And pour that in. So with that 1 cup of cornstarch, what you need to do is we need to mix 1 cup of water. So make sure it's 2 parts to 1. A bit more. Now we stir. Now this will be really hard, so if you do need your parents to help you with this, you can. And what you can do, some people do this, I sometimes do this, is if I'm feeling extra dirty, which usually I'm not, you can use your hands and stir it like that. So you're trying to get all the grain to get covered in water. And you're trying to mix it like that. And obviously you need a better bowl, because my bowl is a bit too big. So, you'll have it all mixed out. Your Oobleck will look something like this. And the weird thing is, so when you splash water, I'll put a clip of me splashing water now. Ready? Did that look cool? With this Oobleck, so I had to change the bowl, I'm sorry. But it doesn't even move. Like we saw in the water shot, it went everywhere. But this stuff, when you apply any force, it does not move. I can take a spoon, apply force. You see the ripple? Nothing. Nothing. This stuff is cool because yeah, it's solid. Once you move it, once you change it, it goes from solid to liquid. That's why this stuff is awesome. Like, it's so hard to bring out of the bowl because it's so tough. It reacts to movement like crazy. But when you stop moving, Alright, so you may be wondering why this happens. When corn flour mixes with water, the particles kind of fuse together and it flows. It flows very delicately. But when force is applied to it, the particles stick together and lock together. That's why you've got this force when force is applied. But when you just apply no force, it's like there's nothing there, it's just water. But when there's force applied, bam! It's like nothing. But yeah, Oobleck is really fun to play with. Honestly, this stuff is so fun to play with. It's like, you can make balls with it, and once you're done, turn it back to liquid. So cool, but obviously, as you can see, it makes a big mess. So yeah, water gets everything out, so it's all good. Make sure, you're in clothes that you don't mind getting dirty as well. So I would suggest when making your cornstarch, when making your Oobleck, maybe do half a cup to a cup of Oobleck and half a cup of water to a quarter cup of water. Obviously your parents will have to help you with that. I'll make sure to put a recipe in the description. This stuff is really fun. It can get messy, so make sure you're wearing clothes that you don't mind getting dirty. But make sure to be careful with carpets. But yeah, very easy, very simple science experiment.
So I didn't finish off the class with a finish. So I hope you liked what I did there. It was a bit of a different, dirty science experiment, to say the least. Remember, all the stuff can be cleaned with water, so it shouldn't be too bad. With all these experiments, make sure you're asking your parents for help. You're asking your parents if you can do them as well. But yes, I hope you do enjoy. I hope you enjoy the different types of experiments I'm doing. This one wasn't as pretty, but it is so fun to do, and it's so interesting to see both the solid and a liquid put together, and it's very different to something like ice that turns from a solid to a liquid. It's both a solid and liquid. It's so interesting. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I wish you guys the very best. I miss you guys so much. But yeah, I hope to see more of your awesome science experiments. Alright, see you guys.
So the particles, okay, I just need to explain it again. It wasn't good. Okay. So